Hi everyone, welcome to Data Precision Channel, and this is the second part for our Ultimate Cloud Run Guide from zero to production demo walkthrough. So now we have some questions to answer on Google Cloud. So we lost a bit of connection there. Let's see if we still have our access. Okay, so I think let's see if we still have our connection. We edited that, so let's see if we can do a rollback on this. So let's go back up here. We have an error of the region. So let's call Gemini in. Let's where we had gotten to the point where we had started off. Remember our region, we set our region to US Central 1. Let's allow. We have another prompt. So let's allow this. You can see our project count, our project name. The present we're having a bit of a thunderstorm. So we have some sounding. So Gemini is asking us for execution of G Cloud. It's now last deployed, it's in our region. Because we're using Cloud Run, is giving me my previous project. So I think for our disconnection, can't find our follow up, but you should find it now. So it's saying as GeoCloud. So it says the API is not enabled. We like to enable the API. So why? So we enabled the Google Cloud APIs. So we couldn't find the follow up in our project. So let us redeploy it. It says execution of Google Cloud. It's a region is US Central, so we just seen that. The building container. So I think at the end of this, it should give us a link. So what we had, so let's see. So the Google Cloud revisions list. So we answer one. Let's sound the revision list request just like we sent earlier. Remember from our editor, we have under color map, we have the main UI and requirements. Let's go back to our terminal. So there's deployed color app service to Central 1 and retrieve the revision ID. The good revision is color app 001. The service is live here, it's here, good. And would you like me to proceed with the rollback demo, such as making a code change? So yes, answer will be yes. Proceed. Okay. So I had made this correction. So I think from the instructions, let's just tell it to no suggest changes. So these are the changes we suggest. So we'll copy this. I'll tell it roll back with this. Let's go to rollback with what I gave to it. It's updating traffic routes. Go to verify. So let's see. Background color should be gray. So I can tell it I am not getting a gray background color. Yes, update it. Tell me that body where the code color will change. And allow once. Is redeploying for us. Back to green, but let's just work on that. So it's creating a revision for a moment. So now we're running again. Set it to quick gray background color and deployed. We have it running now. Gray background. So we'd like to go back and we would like to redeploy. I'll change the text back to dark sea green. So remember, Gemini works with context. And reverting styles back to dark green. Those were to work on. I noticed to deploy.